time I'm coming at you with converting from standard form to vertex form. So, same reasoning as before. If we want to go from standard form to vertex form, we're doing that because we really just want more information. In this case, maybe we want to figure out what the vertex is or be able to view it in a different way. And how can we do this? So the big thing here is that we're going to need to take the a value from our standard form equation and plug it into our vertex form equation because, as you know, they're going to be the same in both. A is the same value in both equations. And we also need to figure out what our vertex is because that's a big part of vertex form. We need to know what the vertex is. So it's the same way as you have been doing it before. We're going to find the x value of the vertex using negative b over 2a. Then we're going to substitute in the x value to find the new y value of our vertex. And then we're just going to plug in our vertex into that vertex form equation. So I'm going to give you one example of this. And that's just mostly because I don't think you want to sit here and listen to a video of me talking for like 20 minutes. So I'm going to give you one example. The first thing that we're going to do in this one is we're going to identify our a value. In this case, I don't really see one, but remember it's always going to be an invisible one when we can't see it. So I found my a value, and I'm going to plug it into a vertex form equation. So normally it'd be y equals a times x minus h squared plus k. So I just plugged in one where that a value would be. All right, next I need to find the vertex. So to do that, I need to use negative b over 2a. So first, what is a and what is b? A is 1 and b is negative 6. So let's do that. So now let's plug that in. And I get 3. So my x value is going to be 3. And now I'm going to substitute that back in to find my y value. So I'm going to plug 3 in for x back into my original equation. And I'm going to get that y is 5. So my vertex is going to be 3, 5. Lastly, I just have to plug that in for h and k. I know h is going to be the same thing as my x value of my vertex, and k is going to be the y value of my vertex. So now that I found my vertex, I can plug that in, and that's going to be my final form of my equation. So that's how I went from standard form to vertex form. I knew that my a values are going to be the same, and then I just plugged in my vertex once I could find it. And that's all for today.